Hey guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we are doing, I know what to do, but I'm just thinking. I got two ideas, actually, two ideas into one. One's only short, it's my two fidget spinners, as you can see right above it. So yeah, so first off we'll do the room tour. So the room tour is, this is my curtains. Okay, I got a fridge, mini fridge, all like wrestlers on. I got these and all that. Got my lamp, got my book. And by here, I just stopped watching the Simon match. It's just finished. So yeah, and then where was he? That's my telly, of course. Then of course my popular thing in my bedroom, my gaming chair. Oh my god. And then we just go all that. Okay, that's a bit enough now. So now we'll do it on my two fidget spinners. I bet you can't do this. Both of them. And then so yeah, that's all for today. And yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and see ya. Boom. Wink, another wink, wink, wink. And